Here's the blizzard of 2013. Today is February the 21st, 2013. I know you really can't see the snow coming down that much, but this is as the time right now is about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. 6 o'clock this morning, the roads and ground was completely dry and clear of snow. As you can see, this is what we've got. This is about an hour's worth on my car of accumulation. So we've got a real nice snow coming down. It's not as bad as it was. The flakes are smaller. They were about the size of silver dollars. Now they're just small flakes.